Welcome back to Wheel Empire, where luxury, performance, technology, and automotive design come together. Today, we are looking at a car that looks like it has arrived straight from the future. With its dramatic proportions, ultra-modern lighting, signature luxury presence, and an unmistakable Rolls-Royce-inspired front design, this futuristic grand tourer is built to turn every road into a statement. Before we begin, one important note: the image appears to show a futuristic or concept-style interpretation rather than a clearly identifiable production model. So the features we discuss are based on the visible design and concept presentation, while exact engine, range, and performance figures should be treated as unconfirmed. Step exterior design. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. This car combines traditional ultra-luxury styling with an aggressive futuristic shape. The long, low body gives it the proportions of an exclusive grand tourer, while the smooth surfaces create a sophisticated and aerodynamic appearance. Instead of unnecessary lines, the body uses carefully sculpted panels that allow light and reflections to define its shape. The black finish makes the car look even more dramatic, especially against the bright architectural surroundings. Step front fascia. Now let's move to the front. The centerpiece is the enormous vertical grille, instantly creating a powerful luxury identity. The grille is surrounded by a clean, sculpted front section that gives the car a commanding road presence. On both sides, the futuristic lighting elements stretch vertically downward, while slim horizontal LED daytime running lights create a sharp signature. This combination makes the front look wider, lower, and much more technologically advanced. Step signature grille. The grille deserves special attention. Its tall vertical design immediately communicates prestige and authority. The metallic vertical elements create a premium appearance, while the dark surrounding surfaces make the grille stand out even more. At the center of the hood, the sculpted ornament adds another classic luxury touch. It is a perfect example of how traditional design elements can be combined with futuristic styling. Step LED lighting technology. The lighting system is one of the most futuristic elements of this car. The slim LED daytime running lights create a recognizable visual signature, while the vertical lights positioned near the lower front corners give the car an unmistakable appearance at night. The lighting doesn't simply illuminate the road. It becomes part of the car's identity. Step side profile. From the side, the design becomes even more impressive. The roofline flows smoothly from the windshield toward the rear, creating a sleek coupe-like silhouette. The large side surfaces are almost sculptural, with minimal visual clutter. The low stance and large wheels give the vehicle a planted appearance, suggesting confidence and stability. Step aerodynamic body. Every major surface appears designed with aerodynamics in mind. The smooth hood, sharply controlled shoulder line, curved roof, and sculpted side sections help create a clean airflow profile. A futuristic luxury vehicle like this doesn't need aggressive wings or excessive aerodynamic accessories. Instead, the body itself becomes the aerodynamic sculpture. Step wheels and tires. Moving down to the wheels, the car features large premium wheels with an intricate multi-spoke design. Their size perfectly matches the vehicle's proportions, filling the wheel arches while giving the car a more athletic stance. The wheels also add contrast to the dark bodywork, creating a visual balance between elegance and performance. Step side doors. The doors continue the minimalist design philosophy. Instead of relying on excessive exterior decoration, the smooth panels emphasize the vehicle's overall shape. The large door area also suggests a spacious luxury cabin, while the clean surfaces make the car look more expensive and sophisticated. Step glasshouse and roof. The dark glasshouse creates a floating roof effect. The windshield flows naturally into the roof, while the dark windows provide privacy and give the car a more mysterious character. From this angle, the vehicle looks less like a traditional sedan and more like a futuristic luxury grand tourer. Step rear design. At the rear, we would expect the same philosophy to continue: clean surfaces, aerodynamic shaping, and slim lighting. The rear section appears designed to remain elegant rather than aggressive, maintaining the premium character established by the front. This is important because a true luxury car should look special from every angle. Step interior design. Now let's imagine opening the doors and entering the cabin. The interior of a vehicle in this design category would focus heavily on handcrafted materials, premium leather, metal accents, soft touch surfaces, and advanced digital technology. The cabin would be designed as a private luxury lounge rather than simply a place to sit. Step driver cockpit. In front of the driver, a futuristic digital instrument display would provide essential information such as speed, navigation, vehicle status, and driving assistance. The dashboard would likely combine digital displays with carefully designed physical controls, giving the driver technology without sacrificing luxury. Step infotainment system. The central infotainment system would become the technological heart of the cabin. It could provide navigation, media, vehicle settings, smartphone connectivity, climate control, and personalized driving information. A premium interface would be expected to remain simple, elegant, and easy to operate. Step luxury rear cabin. The rear compartment is where a vehicle like this could truly separate itself from ordinary cars. Passengers would have comfortable individual seating, generous legroom, premium materials, and a quiet environment. Depending on the final concept, rear passengers could also receive individual entertainment and climate controls. Step comfort and cabin atmosphere. Luxury is not only about materials. It is also about atmosphere. A vehicle like this would focus on acoustic insulation, smooth suspension behavior, soft ambient lighting, and a calm cabin environment. The goal is simple: make the occupants feel isolated from the outside world. Step advanced technology. Technology would be another major part of the experience. A futuristic luxury car could feature advanced driver assistance, adaptive lighting, intelligent navigation, parking assistance, digital connectivity, and personalized vehicle settings. The technology should work quietly in the background, making every journey easier without overwhelming the driver. Step performance and driving experience. Although this car prioritizes luxury, its low stance and dramatic proportions suggest that performance is also part of its personality. The exact powertrain is not confirmed from the image, but a vehicle of this type could theoretically use a powerful electric or high-performance powertrain. Instant torque, smooth acceleration, precise steering, and a refined ride would perfectly match the futuristic luxury concept. Step safety features. Modern luxury vehicles are also expected to provide advanced safety technology. Possible systems could include adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, parking cameras, collision detection, and advanced driver assistance. These features would help combine effortless luxury with modern road safety. Step 19. Why this design stands out. What makes this car special is the balance between heritage and the future. The massive luxury grille represents tradition, while the sharp LED lighting, aerodynamic body, digital technology, and futuristic proportions push the design toward a new generation. It doesn't look like an ordinary luxury car. It looks like a vision of what ultra-luxury automobiles could become. Step 20. Final verdict and outro. So, would this futuristic luxury concept deserve a place among the world's most desirable automobiles? Based purely on the design, absolutely. It combines presence, elegance, technology, aerodynamic styling, dramatic lighting, premium proportions, and an unmistakable luxury character. However, because the exact production identity and technical specifications of the pictured vehicle are not confirmed, we should treat performance, range, horsepower, and pricing figures as speculative rather than official. And that is what makes concepts like this so exciting. They allow us to imagine a future where luxury is not just about comfort, but also about design, intelligence, technology, and emotion. If you enjoyed this futuristic automotive tour, make sure you stay connected with Wheel Empire for more luxury cars, futuristic concepts, supercars, SUVs, and the latest automotive designs from around the world. This is Wheel Empire, where every car has a story, and every road leads to something extraordinary.